All right, there's another round of 10-minute warm-up, and this is very much going to be about getting to the shoulders, the chest, and the upper back. And you're probably going to feel this in unusual spots here. So to start, bring yourself into all fours. We're going to go back and forth here, twisting. So wrists into the shoulders and knees underneath your hips. And we're going to twist a few times before we hold on to this. So keep your left hand down. When you're ready, inhale the right arm high. Exhale, right arm underneath, bring your shoulder down to the floor. Now press into the left hand, inhale the right arm high again. Exhale, twist and bring the right shoulder down. Inhale, reach your right arm high. Now with the exhale, right arm underneath, bring the shoulder to the floor, stay down this time. Now press with the left hand, stack the left shoulder above the right, look up. Keep your right arm pushing down. If you can take it further, with your left hand, hold your right wrist. Try to push your right hand away from you. And if you want to go even further, extend your left leg straight back, lift the knee off the floor, but drop the left hip down and you'll feel the twist. Now if the left knee is lifted, set it back down. Left hand to the floor. Just come up to all fours. And then let's take it on the other side. When you're ready, inhale the left arm high. Exhale, left arm underneath, bring the shoulder down low. Inhale the left arm high again. Exhale, bring that left shoulder down. Inhale the left arm high. Exhale, twist. Left shoulder all the way down, stay down. Now press with the right hand, stack the right shoulder above the left. And then if you want to take it further with your right hand, hold your left wrist, push that left hand away from you. To go even further, you can lift the right knee, extend your right leg back, but drop the right hip down, and just feel the twist. All right, set the right knee back down if it's lifted. Come back up onto both hands. And then from all fours, I want you to take it down onto both forearms. Now, this will open up your chest quite a bit as well. Keep your forearms down. Step your right foot back and then bring the right foot over to the right. So if you're on a yoga mat, go past the edge and bring the inside edge of the right foot to the floor. This will help you keep your balance. Left forearm stays down. Bring the right hand behind your head. And then with an inhale, reach your right elbow high, look up. With the exhale, twist as best you can. Get the right shoulder close to the floor. Inhale, open up, right elbow high. Exhale, come down underneath and get the shoulder down low. Inhale, reach that right elbow high, hold here. Now open up your chest, squeeze the shoulder blades toward each other. Left forearm stays down. Try to pull the right shoulder further back. And then release it. Bring the right hand down, come up onto both hands and on both knees. And then we'll take this in the other side. So when you're ready, bring both forearms down again. And then step your left foot back, but bring the left foot farther left. And again, I'm going past the edge of my mat. Get the inside edge of the foot to the floor. Now, right forearm stays down, left hand behind your head. With an inhale, left elbow high, look up. Exhale, twist. Bring the left shoulder down low to the floor. Inhale, open up, left elbow high. Exhale, twist again, bring the shoulder down. Inhale, open up, left elbow high. Now stay open. Pull the left shoulder back, gaze up high. And then release. Bring your left hand down. Come up to all fours. And then from all fours, just keep your hips stacked over your knees, and we'll take this into the wrist. So bring the hands in closer, within 2 hands lengths of your knees. And flip the hands over. Backs of the hands down, palms up, point the fingertips in toward you. And if this feels too extreme, you can bring the hands right in front of the knees, and that'll make it easier. But keep your fingertips pressing down. Fingers spread wide. And then just go ahead, sway your shoulders side to side and get used to that stretch. So move the wrist and into the upper sides of the forearms. And then come into center, arms still straight. Now keep the fingers active like this. And then just going through cow and cat breathing. With an inhale, drop your belly, pull your chest forward, look up. Exhale, round your spine and empty up. Inhale, drop your belly, chest forward, look up. Exhale, round and empty. Inhale, drop your belly, chest forward, gaze high. Exhale, round and empty one more time. And then come up onto the fingertips. Walk your hands forward, palms down, come into all fours, wrists into the shoulders and knees into your hips. One more wrist stretch. Rotate your fingertips to the side and then in toward your knees as far as you can go, both hands. Now grip the floor. Spread the fingers wide, dig your fingertips down. Lift your spine. Go ahead, circle your shoulders or wrists here to start as you're gripping. And this might be enough, and you can stay with this. Now if you can take it further, tuck the toes of both feet. Hover your knees up off the floor. Keep gripping with your fingers. And then just lift your hips up high as you can. Dip your knees down to the floor. Hips up for 2, and sink the knees down. Lift up for 3. Bring your knees down. Lift up for 4, and come back down. Lift up for 5, and then bring your knees all the way down this time. Come up onto the fingertips, and just come down to sitting on your heels for a moment. Shake your hands out. When the hands are ready, bring your legs out from underneath you and come to a seat. And we'll set this up for reverse tabletop. Now, feet in front of you, hips width. Hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Now, palms down, fingertips forward if you can. You can always rotate your fingers to the side, whatever suits you best, whatever feels best on the wrists. Now, go ahead, press down, lift your seat up off the mat. And let's take it up and down. Press your hips up high, squeeze your glutes, and then sink back down. Lift up for 2, and then come back down. Press up high for 3, sink back down. Lift up for 4, and then come down. Now lift up one more time, hold here. Now keep your glutes squeezing, dig your heels down, and try to pull the heels toward your hands. So keep the back line of the body tense. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. Take an inhale. Exhale, come all the way down. Now once you're down, just shake your hands out a little bit. Now we'll take another version of this. Now keep your feet hips width, hands behind the shoulders, but rotate your fingers as far back as you can. And then lift your seat up off the floor. Now I'll take it up on one arm. If you need to stay on 2 hands, that's fine. But otherwise, bring your weight to the left hand and bring the right hand behind your head. Up and down like this. Press your hips up, squeeze your glutes, right shoulder high. And then sink back down. Lift your hips up high again. And then lower back down. Press your hips up one more time. Hold here. Now keep your glutes squeezing. Let your head fall back. Pull the right shoulder back. Keep the left arm strong. Take an inhale. With the exhale, bring the right hand down. Go ahead, sink all the way down. You can shake that left hand out for a moment. Let's set it up for the other side. Again, feet hips width, hands behind the shoulder. Rotate your fingertips back as far as you can. And lift your seat up off the floor. Now bring the weight to the right hand. Left hand behind your head. Up and down. Press your hips up, squeeze your glutes, and then sink back down. Push your hips up high, open to the side, and then sink down. Lift your hips up one more time and hold here. Keep your glutes squeezing, pull the left shoulder back, let your head fall back, and keep breathing. Take an inhale. Now with the exhale, bring your left hand down. Come all the way down. And again, shake your hands out. All right, once you're ready, cross at the ankles, come forward. Your hands come into all fours. And we'll take it down into a forearm plank. So why don't you bring both forearms down to the floor. Now step your feet back, bring your body into the line, feet about hips width distance. And then make your hands into fists. Now, we're going to go back and forth here, walking on the forearm. So just keep your feet in place. Keep the hands curled into fists. And to move, just shift your weight side to side, right and left. Now from here, one form at a time, walk this back. Now lift your hips as high as you can. Bend your knees as much as you need to. And come toward the back of the mat. Once you can't go back any further, walk this forward. And again, let your weight shift side to side. And then take it back again. Just shift your weight side to side. One form at a time, hips up nice and high. Go ahead, bend the knees. And then walk it back out. And bring your body back into line. One more time, walk this back. Let your weight shift side to side. Bring your hips up as high as you can. And then walk it forward. Bring your body back into line. Find that forearm plank. And then sit your knees down. Come up to your hands for a moment. Take a couple breaths. All right, when you're ready from here, let's come into a dolphin pose. Why don't you bring both forearms down again? You can have the forearms parallel. You can put your palms together, just keep the elbows shoulder width. Now tuck your toes, lift your knees, bring your hips up high. And then see about stepping your feet in, get the hips up higher still. Now as you hold this, we're just going to go back and forth with the left hand. Keep the right forearm down. So come up onto the left hand, stack the elbow above the wrist. And then bring that forearm down. Again, come up onto your left hand. And then set the forearm down. Up onto the left hand one more time. Now keep the left elbow pulled in, look down at the floor, and keep your hips high. Now reach your left leg up as high as you can. Bring the knee down, touch your left arm. Left leg up high. Knee to your left arm. Left leg high one more time. Knee to left arm, stay here, pull the heel toward your seat. Keep looking down. And then see about using the thighs. Tense up your legs and pull the right leg over to touch the left. And then release. Go ahead, bring your knees down. Come up onto your hands for a moment. And we'll take it on the other side. So once you're ready, come back down onto the forearms. Now keep the elbows at shoulder width. Tuck your toes. Lift your knees, hips up high. And then see about walking the feet and get your hips up higher still. Now from here, just go back and forth. Keep your left forearm down. But lift up onto the right hand. Get that elbow high. And then set the right forearm down. Come back up onto the right hand. And bring the forearm back to the floor. One more time, onto the right hand. Keep that right elbow pulled in. Keep looking down. With an inhale, raise your right leg up high. Bring the knee down, touch your right arm. Right leg up high again. Knee to right arm. Right leg up one more time. Knee to right arm. Pull that leg in. Pull the heel in toward your seat. And as you look down, using the thigh, squeeze the left leg over to touch the right. And then release. Bring your feet down. Bring your knees down. Come up to your hands. And then go ahead, take a seat when you're ready. Take a few breaths. And that is the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.